guys! Tonight I'm gonna read you John's story. This time I'm gonna read him procrastinating. Ano ba yun?
Procrastinating
Yes,
or
ma'am.
procrastination.
It means delaying something you should do, like homework or anything.
Mm.
What should I do if I can't keep up in school after the summer break? First day of summer break. Finally, it's summer break. I have to go out and play right away. John, you haven't done your homework for 10 days now. 10 days? 3 days before school starts. Going out again? Have you done your homework? But John saying, but David and I already planned to play soccer together. I'll do it when I do homework when I get home. One day before school starts. Oh, his mom has the slipper. Wait, no, it's a hanger. And she's really angry. Next is, I wish that I studied harder in the summer break.
You are not yet studying, anak. Malapit na naman ang pasokan.
Physical concealing. Dear teacher, I really regret spending my vacation, just playing and
Neglecting.
What does that mean, Mame?
Neglecting. Pinapabayaan.
My studies now. In the very first class, I already feel like I'm falling behind in all the lessons. All the kids around me are keeping up very quickly, but I'm confused and don't know what to do. What should I do now? Best regard, John. Dear John.
That's the answer of his teacher.
Summer break is a supposed to be a fun time, right?
Hmm.
But if you spend it all your time playing and forget to study, you'll end up feeling regretful for wasting time. So next time when summer break starts, try to learn how to manage your time wisely. If you can't keep up with the lessons in class, you spend extra time and effort studying after school. And don't forget, you can always ask for help from your friends, teachers, or parents. Diba? When you need it, that way you'll catch up with the teacher's lessons. If keep trying your best. Sincerely, Mr. A guidance on actions. Step 1. Quickly adjust your study mode. No, I have to really focus on the lesson. Step 2. Use your free time to review lessons. John, why are you still revisiting lessons from previous semester? I forgot all the knowledge during the long summer break, so I want to review it now. Step 2. Learn from experience to manage yourself properly break. Did you stay up all night? Yeah, I will definitely study properly next summer break.
What did you learn about Chan?
That to never that to always Mabe study.
Do things that should be done today and do not procrastinate. Do not always delay doing things that you could be able to do already now. Correct?
Yes.
Mm.
And mom, and and guys, if you want more videos of this book, then like and subscribe. By the way, this book has 73 pages.
73? May next pa ba doon?
Hindi.
Hindi na, last na.
This is the last page.
Hmm. Do you
So-
like this book, Luna, than the other one?
The other Feelings Diary.
Hmm.
The other Feelings Diary that is yellow. That's the first one I have ever finished.
Hmm.
Diba?
Okay. How about the other one, the Morphe's Law?
I just started it.
Hmm.
And guys, I'm gonna read you the message Mr. left in the last page. Finally, I wish you had the courage to explore the world and develop yourself
Develop.
yourself to the fullest.